Hi guys, so today I'm doing a Tom and Jerry cartoon characters since that was the most requested one from you guys. So now I've taken a Pentel mechanical pencil and I'm sketching out with the reference image. I struggled quite a bit in drawing the faces of the Tom and Jerry, so I'm erasing it quite a few times until I got it right, because it's been a long time since I did cartoon characters. Now I have started painting it with watercolors. I've taken the Sakura Koi watercolors with a Camlin paintbrush. This is a Canson watercolor paper which I'm using here. For the outlines, I'm using a micron pen which is of 0.45 mm, which gives nice details. I also decided to write Tom and Jerry characters on that, but it didn't come out right at first, and then I used the same logo of the Tom and Jerry cartoon. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.